You think that we would be someplace like maybe Chicago, uh, maybe someplace like New York or something of that nature. But no, we're right here in Atlanta, Georgia, coming from you live as it's snowing. Oh, so beautifully. And normally it doesn't snow like this in Atlanta, Georgia. But today has been the exception. So, with it appearing to be a winter blizzard in the deep south, where normally it's warm, it's kind of letting us know that we truly are in the last days. Storms here, storms there, storms everywhere. But I'll take the storms any day. Any day that only lasts a day, if you know what I mean. But this is absolutely gorgeous, if I must say so myself. I'm enjoying it, loving it ever so peacefully. The snow-scaped landscape. It's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. That's all, folks.